Good afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about the atomicity. Chapter is going on chemicals and chemical changes. Class 7, date is 29 April 2020 and subtopic is Atomicity. Today we will discuss about the atomicity. Atoms of many elements cannot exist independently. Two or more atoms combine together to form a molecule. So what is the definition of atomicity? The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is called its atomicity. The number of atoms present one molecule of an element the number of atoms present one molecule of an element is called its atomicity. This is the simple definition of atomicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is called its atomicity. The atomicity of the element is written to the right side of its symbol. For example, hydrogen. So what is the atomicity of hydrogen? 2. Nitrogen. What is the atomicity of nitrogen? 2. Now you see, elements can be classified on the basis of atomicity. How can we classify? Number 1, monoatomic. Monoatomic elements having as a single atom, any elements having as a single atom is called monoatomic. For example, helium, what is the formula of helium? He. What is the atomicity of helium? 1. It is helium, neon, Ne. This is monoatomic. And can you give some other examples? Helium, neon, sodium, iron, They are having only one atoms in their elements, so its atomicity is 1 and it is come in the category of monoatomic. So monoatomic is clear, elements having as a single atom. Other example, sodium, Na. Clear it? Now second is diatomic. Diatomic, elements having the two atoms in its molecule. Element having two atoms in its molecule is called diatomic. For example, hydrogen. Nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine. What is the formula of hydrogen? H2. Nitrogen N2 and oxygen O2 and chlorine Cl2. They are having two atoms in its molecules, so they are having two atomicity. It is known as diatomic. Clear it? Hydrogen H2, it has the two atoms in its molecule. In one molecule of hydrogen, it is having two atoms of hydrogen. Second is nitrogen, it is also two atomicity, and oxygen, it is also two, and in chlorine also two. Next is triatomic. Elements having three atoms in its molecule. For example, water and ozone. Here is atomicity 2, and what is the atomicity? Oxygen 1. So there is a 3 atomicity, and like this in ozone there is the 3 atoms of oxygen in its molecules. So atomicity is 3 and it will come it triatomic. Next is tetra atomic or polyatomic. Elements having 4 or more atoms in its molecule are called tetraatomic. For example, phosphorus. and sulfur. Formula is phosphorus P4 and sulfur S8. What is the atomicity of phosphorus? 4. And what is the atomicity of sulfur? 8. It will come tetraatomic or polyatomic. It is clear? What is the atomicity? The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is called its atomicity. Elements can be classified on the basis of atomicity. There are the 4 types. One is the monoatomic, elements having as a single atoms. For example, helium, sodium, iron, neon. Diatomic elements having 2 atoms in its molecules. For example, H2 hydrogen, N2 nitrogen, oxygen O2 and chlorine Cl2. They are having 2 atoms in its molecules. Third one is triatomic, elements having the 3 atoms in its molecules. For example, water and ozone. Water formula is H2O and ozone is O3. Next is tetraatomic or polyatomic, elements having 4 or more atoms in its molecules. Example, phosphorus formula P4 and sulfur formula S8.